Hi, this is Fernando and welcome to Disruptive World. In this episode, we will be looking at this interesting video which shows production of Tesla's tabless 4680 cells at different speeds. Battery plants like this one, with over 1 gigawatt-hour capacity, are known as Gigafactories and are the driving force behind the world's transition to renewable energies. Starting in 2014, when there were just a few of these, Gigafactories have grown to 70 in 2018 and will reach 200 in 2021. Most of these Gigafactories are owned by Chinese battery companies, but one car manufacturer stands out as a leader among automotive companies. In 2017, Tesla and its partner Panasonic started mass production of batteries at their Giga Nevada location. Production by 2018 was 20 gigawatt hours per year. At that time, this was more than all the other car manufacturers combined. In 2020, Tesla announced its new format, the 4680 cell, which is already in production at its facility in California. That production line is what is being shown here in this video. It is yet another Gigafactory, and in this case with a planned production of 10 gigawatt hours per year for 2021. In total, Tesla has planned 100 gigawatt-hour per year capacity for 2022 at its various Gigafactories around the world. That alone is enough to produce over 1.5 million cars, assuming an average of 60 kilowatt-hour battery packs in each of them. By 2030, Tesla plans to have 3,000 gigawatt-hour per year worth of these kinds of production lines, equivalent to 50 million cars, assuming 60 kilowatt-hour battery packs. Of course, part of the capacity will go to energy storage, but Tesla has said that it will also need to buy batteries from other producers such as CATL, LG, or Panasonic. So in any case, their production capacity to build cars should be in the tens of millions by 2030. Even at 50% of the actual speed, this production facility is amazing. Movements of the different machinery are like a graceful ballet, as thousands of batteries are produced every minute. Lines like this one will be installed at the new Gigafactories in Berlin and Texas, and will supply enough batteries for Tesla's full lineup of cars, trucks, and storage devices. Last year, Tesla was the first car manufacturer to announce its plans for the exponential ramping up of battery production in the next years. VW and GM have announced similar plans, although at a much different scale. VW, for example, said this year that it aims to reach a level of production of 240 gigawatt hours by 2030. This capacity is less than 10% of Tesla's planned capacity. Let's watch the line now at its actual speed.
Well, baby, will you, won't you, now please be my honey, baby? For you know that you were meant for only me. I say, I love you so. I need you and I want you, honey child. Just to kiss you, baby, walk a million miles. I say, I love you so. You gave me a charge and it felt so fine. Sent a thrill right up my spine. For you I will take an ocean trip. You're the little girl that makes my heart bleed. Will you, won't you, now please be my honey, baby? For you know that you were made for only me. I say I love you so. Yeah.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please support this channel by dropping us a like. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscription button so you don't miss any future episodes. Keep tuning in to find new insights into business and investment opportunities. It is a disruptive world after all.